If you are having any trouble with your light fixture pairing or just need to reset it, please follow the instructions. Please make sure that the initial state of the switch is turned on. For a power cycle, flip the wall switch off and turn it back on, waiting less than 3 seconds between power cycles. First power cycle, this leaves the light in the last state it was in with no change. Second power cycle sets the light to 100%. Third sets the main light to 50%. Fourth sets the light to 0%. Fifth sets the main light to 100%. 6th to 9th power cycles, there is no change. 10th is a complete factory reset. The main light will blink 3 times twice, and the RGB light will blink on blue. Now the device is in pairing mode. You have successfully reset your SkyPlug Smart. You can now re-add and control your light fixture from your Sky Home app.